right, so it's move day. I am on my way to Bear River, to the old barn. My cousin and her partner are coming with their trailer shortly after 8:30, so I've got a few minutes to get there. Pierre is home working on the rest of the pens for the barn, and we're gonna go put some goats in a trailer, move some hay, buckets and barrels, and dishes and feed and all the fun stuff. So I've got a crew that's gonna be meeting me there. My parents will be there, my cousin and her hubby, Jenny and JR obviously, and probably my friends Maddie and Doug and two of my cousin's kids. Different cousin, other side of the family. So yeah, we'll see how it goes when we get there. All right, so we are home with the first load. We got Doug and Kelly lugging bales. The girls are set up in some temporary space, and Oliver's giving us a hand too. Ollie, you want to give a wave? I'll have to show this to great-great-Grammy. She'll love it. You're doing your laps there, bud.
Hello, hello, hello. Or, hey. Yeah, see, that's, there's a pile of hay for you. Okay, so this will be possibly one of the last updates for the barn thing. Because see what behind me right there? Little red gates, little red pen. That's because the beasties are here. And I did not film anything today in the making of, because we were holy shit busy. Yeah, behind me, as you can see, is bales of hay. And it's all for what's inside the barn. I'm going to take you inside the barn right now. I'm going to open la porte. And I think they would, yep. The reason why I'm doing it at this time is because it's still kind of sort of daylight. And there you go. There you go. Okay, I'm going to... So I'll spin this around and you can see what's going on. There you go. So today, this is what we did. Look at that. I got the chicken coop is done. The turkey area is done. The Penelope, the goat pen is done. See? There's this Penelope. That's one of the goats. And I cannot remember their names. And there's the ducks. Over there. So that's what we did. There's a little enclosure. So right over here, that's how the ducks go into where their food is. Because if they don't isolate the food, the goats are gonna get to it. So yeah. And over here, we have the turkeys. Check this beast out, huh? Isn't he gorgeous? Yeah, and that's the rooster that never shuts up. So here in this little guy, there's 3 roosters in there and a bunch of hens. And we have look at these guys. They're making themselves real comfy. So yeah, we've been a little busy. So yeah, we built this while Lacey went out and got the animals and the hay, and now we're another thing we did down there is we put the internal gate. Hi. Hi. So yeah, about I was saying about a year and a half, 2 years, I never freaking imagined that okay, buddy, I'm talking here. I never imagined that I would be the owner of a place where we would have goats, ducks, turkeys, and chickens. That's just beyond what I was ever imagining. I'd never thought I'd be a, we'll say, farmer. It's more like a hobby farmer, but yeah, so stay tuned, guys, because most likely what I may intend to do eventually in the near future is to put cameras in here. Possibly one up in that corner right down there. And maybe one in up there somewhere. So that anyway, we'll put cameras so that and it might be a live feed. We'll see what happens. Okay, so there you go. Barn taken, barn done. Wow, there'll be more. So if you like what you saw there, you know what to do. That little dingly bell at the bottom there, and thumbs up, and so let me know what you think and of my idea about putting cameras in here and making a live feed. Let me know in the comments in the video. Let me know, and we'll try to make it happen. Okay, cheers.